Have you ever wondered if a radar laser system could be integrated seamlessly into your exotic vehicle? I'll show you how in this video. We installed the Redenzo RCM radar and AL Priority laser jammer system on this Lamborghini Performante. We always do preliminary testing with laser guns to help us determine the most powerful combination of jammers and the best placement. For the front and rear of the vehicle, we added 3 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed. The main concerns for this vehicle were that no permanent modifications were made and that the laser jammers blended into the vehicle. We were able to address both concerns by designing and fabricating laser jammer housings that aesthetically blend the jammers into the bumper and prevent modifying the vehicle when routing the wires. The front and rear radar detectors are hidden behind the bumpers and will alert you of police officers from ahead and behind. On the interior of the vehicle, a fabricated panel was made to house the Redenzo display controller, and it was wrapped in matching Alcantara suede for a factory appearance. In these video clips, you can see what the cop sees when the laser jammers are on and off. With this system, you can program them to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off, so you have time to slow down to a speed that you're okay with the cops getting a reading of. We also designed vehicle-specific skid plates that are outlined in blue that protect your bumper without drilling any holes so you can drive worry-free. If you are interested, click on the link in the description below. If you have any questions or would like to get in touch with us, the best ways are either by giving us a call or sending an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel.